Our TEPS dealers are critical to supporting our customers and end users. We partner with our TEPS dealers to identify independent repair facilities that want to go the extra mile with Caterpillar and get access directly from Cat Inc. to technical information, parts promotions, and marketing materials.
The TEP dealers, that's our whole heart right now, and our TEP dealers have been great.
Well, as dealers, we're part of the communities that we are built upon. So not only do we draw from them for our employees, but also for our customer base. Independent repair facilities are really important in supporting our industry because we can't be in every single community out there. And so we rely upon them to back up and support our customers when they're in those regions. Likewise, we can support their customers when they come through our territory.
When we go talk to independent repair facilities, we'll go with our local Caterpillar dealer as well as our local TEPS dealer. Our TEPS dealers work with independent repair facilities every day, and we know that they're a link to get closer to our independent shops.
We are all supporting the same customer base out there, the industry, and it's a very tight community. Across the nation, they all know each other, they all rely upon each other, and likewise, we as the support industry have to back each other up too.
It takes a whole group of people with your TEPS dealers, your parts people at your place, your mechanics, and recreate that relationship so that you can take care of that customer.
So we can support that customer out there because together we actually are stronger.
I guess the word is team. You need the team of the TEPS dealer to the shop so the end user, the customer, gets taken care of. That bond and relationship you get, it creates I guess I'd say a happy customer.